The Coros Pace Pro is an exciting addition to the brand's lineup. It's the first Coros watch with an AMOLED display, bringing it in line with top mid-range sport watches like the Garmin Forerunner 265 and the Suunto Race S. With offline maps, long battery life, and a lightweight design, it's built to compete. It's a big step up from the Coros Pace 3, both in price and features. The AMOLED display is a game changer, offering 1500 nits of brightness for better visibility. It's a bit thicker than the Pace 3, but retains the lightweight feel that Coros is known for. The watch features a stainless steel dial, making it capable of ECG measurements, though its materials aren't as rugged as high-end Coros models like the Vertex 2. The silicone band might not be the most comfortable, but it can be swiped out for a nylon one. One interesting change: no dedicated charging cable. Instead, Coros provides a USB-C adapter, making charging more convenient and eco-friendly. The Pace Pro is powered by Coros' fastest ever processor and boasts 32 GB of storage, a massive jump from the 4 GB in the Pace 3. This makes map zooming and navigation smooth. It connects via Bluetooth, but not ANT+, and during testing it works seamlessly with external heart rate monitors, with power sensors and cadence sensors. Its GPS accuracy is outstanding, even in tricky environments like tight loops or dense city streets. Heart rate accuracy is also improved thanks to snugger fit and better sensors, though it's still not perfect, especially in cold conditions. The Pace Pro supports a wide range of sports modes, including track running and multi-sport, but lacks dedicated modes for activities like yoga. You can, however, create custom modes in the Coros app. Evo Lab Training Analysis provides VO2 max estimates, training load, and recovery advice. While useful, it's not as intuitive as Garmin's suggested daily workouts. For structured training, you can set up interval sessions directly on the watch or use the Pacer mode for races like 5Ks and marathons. One of the biggest highlights is battery life. The Pace Pro lasts 5 to 6 days, even with the always-on display and daily GPS use. Without workouts, it can exceed Coros' 7-day estimate. Switching to race-to-wake mode extends battery life to 20 days. For GPS workouts, dual band GPS, always on display, 24 hours, 31 hours with race to wake, all systems GPS, 28 hours, 38 hours with race to wake. These numbers outperform rivals like the Forerunner 265, Polar Vantage N3, and Suunto Race S. The color maps are a major upgrade from the breadcrumb navigation on the Pace 3. They offer turn-by-turn directions and a back-to-start feature. However, the Pace Pro lacks advanced smartwatch features like Spotify integration, NFC payments, or extensive watch face customization, where Garmin leads the way. At $349, the Pace Pro is priced lower than the Forerunner 265, but higher than the Pace 3. The Garmin Forerunner 265 has more smart features and training insights, but no maps, shorter battery life, and higher price. The Polar Vantage M3 has a more attractive design, but the UI is less intuitive and it's less accurate in testing. The Suunto Race S is rugged design with a metal bezel, but the Pace Pro is lighter and more accurate for heart rate tracking. Within Coros, the Pace 3 is a great budget-friendly alternative if you don't need AMOLED and maps. The Coros Pace Pro is an excellent, accurate sports watch and one of the best mid-range options available. It delivers great battery life, precise tracking, and useful mapping features at a competitive price. While it lacks some smart features, it's lightweight, reliable, and built for athletes who prioritize performance over extras. For serious runners and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a powerful, affordable alternative to Garmin, the Coros Pace Pro is a winner.